Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys how I been doing my nails, guys. So during the whole quarantine, I like always having my nails done when I record. I just feel like it's more flattering in a sense, and I used to get acrylics done all the time. Acrylics or dip powder, and I liked it, but I'm a picker. I pick off my nails. It doesn't matter like if they're freshly done. It's so hard for me. So as soon as I start seeing like the new growth, I start fidgeting. And when I start fidgeting with them, guys, one pops out, then the other pops out. And it hurts. It's not like they're just like, and I just go in and I do that, and I'm like, no, like I cannot be wasting this money. Like, you know, people, they spend so much time on my nails, and I'm over here and popping them off. So I was like, no, like I cannot do that. So what I was doing during quarantine, I was using these. The Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palettes. And I've used these up. And typically, these were giving me 2 weeks of wear, but I was also getting 2 sets of nails in here. It comes with 34 strips, and they had, so there's about 11 of the like normal like base color nail, and then right up top it was 12 of an accent nail. So these lasted me a while. I've used these twice. I've used pretty much all of these twice, and I still have a few in there. So if I really wanted to, I could probably fit them onto my nail. And then I bought this next one. It's really cute, but I haven't worn it. So this was also another brand that I use in Cocoa. I really, with the difference between these two, it's that this one right here felt like more of like a gel, in a sense, like a gel polish texture. It's like a sticker. Now this one right here, yes, it was a sticker, but in the end, it turned into like polish. What I didn't do, I don't think it tells you to do it, but I think you could probably put like a top coat on here. I'm not sure, because when I put them on, they got nicked and scratched, and it just looked horrible. So I was like, yeah, we're not doing this again. So I didn't reorder this. So for the first kit is the Beetles Gel Polish. It's this one right here, and it comes with 6 shades. And it says to cure them under a UV lamp for 60 to 90 seconds. It came with like a cream, a peachy pink, 2 lavender lilac colors, gray, and then a silver glitter. And I really like the way this came out, and that's one of the colors I have on my nails today. Another set that I bought, which is the Rosalind 6 Gel Polish Set. And it's this set right here. It came with pinks and creams and nudes. It's very beautiful. I haven't used that set yet. And then I also got the Beetles Gel Base and Top Coat. I also got this, and I will be inserting a picture right over here. This lamp right here, it's the MelodySusie Bring Your Beauty Salon Home Aurora 1 LED UV nail lamp. And I'll open this up for you guys. And I have everything in a box because it would just be easier for me to store everything. Now this is pretty small. It was maybe about $11. It's just one of these, and I just put it on my table, and I just put my nails under it as so. It's pretty easy. And then it comes with the little cord. Now guys, I'm going to walk you through what I did to complete my gel manicure. So the first thing that I did is I got a napkin, and I used a napkin because I was like, okay, it might be like lint free compared to cotton balls. So I used that, and I went in with my acetone, and I removed all of the residue that you have on your nail beds. Then I went in with a buffer, and I buffed out my nails. Then I took a wooden cuticle pusher, and I just pushed back all of my cuticles. Then I went in with the Beetles Gel Base, and I cured that for about 90 seconds. I've completed the base coat, and I pretty much did everything in 90 seconds because I wanted to make sure that they were cured. I'm going to go in with the shade 548, and I'm going to go in for my first layer of color. And it also cured for 90 seconds. So that is the first coat, and it's very light. So in order for me to get to this, I did about three coats. So now I'm going to go in with the second coat. And now I'm going in with the third coat. So now I'm going in with the top coat to finish everything off. Alright guys, so that is how I did my gel manicure. I have a little chip, and I remember that on one of my fingers I had like this piece of like, maybe like a piece of sand or dirt, I don't know, it was like a piece, like a little speck right there, and I couldn't get it off. So last night I was fidgeting with my nails yet again, and I probably nicked it off, and when I nicked it off, that's probably when this happened. But I will keep you guys updated on how this goes. I hope you guys are safe, well, and healthy, and please guys, please, please, please make sure you guys are protecting yourselves. And remember, your health comes first, okay guys? So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Bye guys, see you next time.